This is a Nelson motor, and it's got everything taken out except for the crankshaft. And I'm going to push the crank out. I'm going to take this tool here for pushing the front bearing out. Slides right in here. Spins on here. You take an Allen wrench, you go in through and in the back behind, and you turn it, and it presses the front bearing out. There's the front bearing on the tool. As you can see, it fits right over the hub, right nice and snug. Now, to take the inner bearing out that everybody has problems with, that they heat them, heat the case, made the tool, it goes inside. Then you take another Allen wrench, go in here, hold that. You take a wrench and you hold the back nut, and you tighten it up. Then you take this hub and it screws on the back, goes right up against the back of the crankcase. You start turning, and it pulls the bearing right out. That's how easy it is. I never heated the case. There it is. Now, you take the Allen wrench, put it back in here. Take this, you loosen it up, the bearing slides right off the tool. Now, we'll put the bearings back in. Here's the tool to put the bearings in with. The bearing slides right over top of the tool like that. It slides right in the case, slides all the way up inside. This tool goes here, it goes right in here, lines right up there. Put the stud back, the bolt back in, Allen back in. You get it started in there. It lines itself up inside on the inside of the bore of the crankshaft. You tighten it up, take the Allen wrench, put in it, you tighten it up. It pulls the bearing right back up in place. Okay, bearings in. Now you take it all back apart. You go ahead and leave that piece in there. You get your front bearing that we pressed out. You put it on this tool here. It lines itself right straight back up into the center of the crank. Take your Allen wrench again, and you tighten it up. Both bearings are pressed back in place. Didn't have to heat the case. Here's the crank. Crank slides right in, snaps right in place. That's it.